another day, another problem. So let's solve it. Hello guys, I hope everything is going well for you all. In this video I will show you how to solve the two-sum problem. I will try to solve it in as many different ways as I can, but keep in mind that there are no limits. The first solution to solve this problem is going to be using two for loops and traverse the array twice. For example, we start at the 2 and traverse all the numbers inside the array and see if adding any number to 2 is equal to the target, and so on. For the time complexity, it's gonna be O of n squared, and for the space complexity, it's gonna be O of 1. But the better solution to solve this problem gonna be by using a hash table. We go throughout the array, and for each number in the array, we'll first check the hash table to see if the number needed to sum up to the target value is there. So for example, we have the target number, which is 9. We have the current number, which is y, and y is the number that we get when we traverse the array. So we want to find the number x, such as x plus y, it's equal to the target number. So as we iterate throughout the array, we have the target sum, and we have the current value, which is y, which is 2. So x equal to target minus y. Then we say, is x in our hash table? If true, we just return x and y. Otherwise, we store the current number inside the hash table and we'll give it a value, which is the index of the current number inside the array. The second solution, the time complexity is gonna be O of n, and the space complexity is gonna be O of n. The third way to solve this problem is gonna be by sorting the array, which is gonna take O of n log n. And once we have a sorting array, we know that the left is the smaller and the right is the larger. So we're gonna have 2 pointers, one to the left and one to the right. After that, we're gonna sum up the 2 pointers and see if it's equal to the target number. If true, just return the left and right. If it's smaller, we move the left to the next number. If it's larger, we move the right pointer to the previous number. For the third solution, time complexity, it's gonna be O of n log n, and the space complexity is gonna be O of 1.